Hello, welcome to math class. Today we're going to be using this math tool. It's called a balance scale. The way a balance scale works is this. You have an arm and that can swing up and down, and inside you have these bowls. And I'm going to put some in this bowl, I'm going to put some in this bowl, and whichever side is heavier will go down. So if there's more over here, it'll go down. Let's match them. So right now they are empty. I could take one eraser and put it in here, and that side goes down. 1 is heavier than 0. But if I were to take an eraser and put it into here, we see when it stops swinging that they get level. 1, 1. It's kind of the same weight. Let's see. Now I'm going to put a second one in there. So there's 2, 3. 3 over here and over there. If I want it to be the same and be flat, I'll have to have 3 erasers in here. Let's see. And there we go. 3 erasers is the same weight as 3 erasers. We're going to be using this to do some adding and subtracting problems. So, what we can do, imagine I had 4 erasers here, and I have 2 erasers there. It doesn't balance. This side is not equal to that side. So, how do I get them to be equal? You're probably telling me that I should add some erasers here so that it equals there. So we have 4 and 2. If I add 1 eraser to here, we'll only be at 3. If I add 2 erasers, now it'll be, will it be 4? Will that be equal? Let's see. It looks like it worked. 4 and 2 plus 2. We could write this down on paper, and we'll be doing that in our books. So to make that equal, I have 4 on one side and I have 2 on the other side. I'll need to add some erasers. 2 there. So 4 is here. On this side, it was 2 plus 2. And now it's equal. 4 equals 2 plus 2. I could make the problems harder. And it doesn't really matter which side we start with. Let's say we start with 6 erasers over there. And on this side, we have 3. 6, 3. They are not equal. This is a lot bigger. So what can I add to 3 to make 6? Are you saying 2? I think that's what I heard. 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 more. That didn't work. Let's try it again. Are you saying 3? Okay. 3 plus 3, 6. Let's see if it balances. See if those are equal. They are. Fantastic. I could give you a harder problem. I could say that I don't want them to be equal. In fact, I'd rather have this side be heavier. So imagine I had 3, 4, 5. Imagine I have 5 erasers in here, and I have 2 erasers in there, and I want this side to be heavier. How many erasers do I have to put into here to make this heavier than 5 and have this be the low one? Would 3 work? 2 plus 3? Let's see, does that make this side heavier? No, it didn't. Let's try again. 2 plus 4. Will that make this side heavier? Yes, we got it. Is that the only answer? Are there more answers? Well, I think we could add even more and it would still be heavier. Great. What if we had some problems, but this time, see what you do with this. This time you won't be allowed to add anything to make it balance. So over here we're going to have 5 erasers. Over here we're going to have 4 erasers. How can you make them balance without adding any erasers? Okay. Some people are saying that we're going to take some away. So we had 5. We'll take away 1. It worked. 5 minus 1 equals 4. Great. Let's try a harder one. What if I have 4 over here and 6 over there? How can you make them balance without adding any more erasers? We'll have to do some subtraction, right? So we have 6 here and we have 4 there. Let's draw it on a piece of paper. So let's see, we have 6 on this side. And on that side, we have 4. And we want to take away some to make it balance. Where should we take them away from? The 4, the 6? Okay, people are saying take it away from the 6. So how many will we have to take away to make them equal? I'm going to cross them off to see. Ooh. When I cross off 2, there's 4 left. So I think this might be 6 minus 2 equals 4. Let me see if it works in real life. See if math really is true. 6 minus 2, it is 4. Fantastic. Finally, I'm going to give you some work to do. We are going to do pages 147 all the way to page 151. And to show me that you are an expert, you don't need to take a picture of every page, but I'd like you to take a picture of the hardest 2 pages. This is where people are really going to have to think hard. Show me how you do on page 149 and page 151. And have a fantastic day and keep mathing out there. Bye.